Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got Julian down for a nap and I have like an hour to get this house clean and picked up and ready for Christmas time. We finally put up our tree last night. We have our stockings up, but I feel like I can't really enjoy it until I get the house clean, and it is a disaster right now. We just got home from vacation. We have dishes, we have laundry, groceries, everything. So I'm dressed in my Good to Be Detroit t-shirt. You guys can get one at Good to Be. And some cute little burgundy leggings. I got my workout clothes on. We are ready to clean this house. Let's do it. So here is my messy kitchen. My biggest tip is to go through and do like a big pickup first. Get everything you can at least organized, get the trash out, get everything in its spot before you start sanitizing and dusting and all that. I like to just get everything picked up. That way if Julian does wake up from his nap or if work, I have to do something like that, the house is at least picked up and I can come back to the other stuff later. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna throw a podcast on and do some like work, some me time, and some cleaning all at the same time. So here's what I mean about just picking everything up. I haven't wiped anything down or cleaned anything, but I've at least gotten rid of all the mess. I have the trash over there to go out. Kobe wants to go outside and play. So anyways, this is just a really great, fast way to get started. It's not as intimidating when you do it this way because it's not like you are like thinking, oh no, I have to get the whole house done, top to bottom, picked up, cleaned, all that in an hour. Like you're just doing it step by step. It always helps me to break it down, and this took only a couple of minutes and I have everything picked up. And he's ready to come back in, that quick. Come on. Now we're gonna move on to the living room. Okay, so here's the living room. As you can see, I have to pick up a lot of toys, but what's really great about this area is we have these new cabinets and they fit all of Julian's toys. So I can just throw everything in there. It all has a spot. It can be picked up easily, but it can also be brought back out easily once he's up from his nap. If he wants to play, I can just bring it right back out. This is so nice, especially at the end of the night, to be able to pick up and get it out super quick. So this room is my office and it kind of needs like a major overhaul. We've been using it in a different way than we ever have. Recently I've been filming a lot of videos in here. We've been keeping a lot of like products and stuff that we use for videos in here, which is something we've never done. I have my lights. So I definitely need to kind of reorganize, decorate this room in a way that's gonna be more functional. But for now, at least getting the boxes out of here, getting everything put away and in a spot, these shelves help so much, is good for today. So now that we have the first floor picked up, I feel so much better. So one thing that I hate dealing with, but that I have to deal with, is all the boxes. So it's kind of a love-hate relationship that I have with this portion of my job. So I'm so appreciative and grateful to try out all these amazing new products all the time. It is so cool and so fun to be able to share them with you, but I don't like having all the boxes, all the trash, all the recycling, all the waste all the time. I feel like there's something brands could do to just make it a little bit more efficient and to have less waste, but I don't know what that is. And baby's up, so we finished picking up everything just in time. I'm gonna go get him. Okay, false alarm. Have the monitor and he's fine. He just woke up for a second. But now I'm gonna tackle these boxes so I can get them out to the recycling and get that portion off my to-do list. So nice. Thank you so much, It Cosmetics. I'm gonna use the heck out of this. It is the cutest baby pink. I love that. Okay, I am out of breath from running all those boxes outside, but I've picked up the whole downstairs now. That way I can go upstairs and do the same thing up there. I know in my last cleaning routine video, I didn't show you guys upstairs, so today I will. I'm literally gonna do the same thing, go room by room and do like that quick 10-minute tidy. Then we'll come back down here if we have time while he's still napping and like actually desanitize. But this is one area that I really struggle with. I always have things that are downstairs that were groceries or deliveries or anything like that, and I wanna bring them upstairs. I'll like hoard them on the steps and never bring them up. So I'm not gonna allow myself to leave them here. I'm gonna make the trips up and down till they all go up. Good morning, hi. Hi. Did you just wake up? Yeah. Oh, are you not feeling the best today? Oh. You're up? You see the camera right there? You're up from your long nap. You're still kind of sleepy, huh? I don't know if he's been feeling his best today. So we're just taking it easy around the house, aren't we? Yeah, kind of took a lot out of you traveling, huh? So I'm just going to let him play on the floor in here while I clean up his suitcase and his bedroom real quick. Okay, that was a quick little 10-minute pickup of this room while he played. Now we're gonna go into Mama's room. You wanna go into Mama's room? You wanna bring your rubber ducky? Yeah? Okay. So, just a quick little easy cleanup. Got his laundry out of here. Any dirty bottles are out of here. That way it's all clean and he can play. Yeah, and roll around and all kinds of stuff. So it is the next day. I didn't get to end up finishing cleaning the house. I could tell Julian wasn't feeling good, so we ended up taking him to the doctor, and he has a little bit of a stomach bug. So I'm glad that I got what I did picked up, but that's kind of where it ended. I didn't get to finish. I've just been hanging out with him, making sure he's doing okay. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely just a realistic clean with me. I don't always get to everything. Some days I don't get to anything, but I do think having like an hour or two, a couple times a week to be able to just do like a big sweep and pick everything up and like get rid of the trash and the clutter and stuff kind of helps keep the house clean throughout the week. So if I have that like 1 hour to pick everything up, then I can find another hour later on to do the sanitizing, the mopping, vacuuming, all that stuff. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and your cleaning routine looks something like mine sometimes, where it's just like you get what you can and when you can. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.